Today we're doing a blinker. Old David E. Embury says, one of the few cocktails using grapefruit juice. Not particularly good, but not too bad. So, So to start off, you have 1 part Grenadine, so this will probably be a quite red drink. Blinker. Blinky, blinky. Do it for the Grenadine. 1 part Grenadine. Cats are having a fight. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty funny. 3 parts fresh grapefruit juice. So, what do you do with this? It won't fit in my normal juicer, or like the squeezy guy I have. So, we are going to... I got 3 parts of this, so I'm going to do 1 from the top and 1 from the bottom. Start with the bottom one. Then we have 6 to 8 parts rye or bourbon. I'm a huge fan of bourbon. Rye is going to be a little spicier, but we're going to go with bourbon for today. Jim Beam, one of the oldest bourbons available. Jim Beam actually was one of the manufacturers, I think, who started the petition to create bourbon as only made in America. We're going to do 6 parts, so it's 3 of these. You gotta shake this up, of course. I'll pour this out. I'm pretty sure it's going to be like a nice red. Pop, pop. Oh, it's like pink. Gorgeous. Whoop. It's a pretty tall drink. Pretty nice looking. Alright, so this one's called the Blinker. Tastes very strongly of whiskey.
Oh, it's good. It's really good. It's really refreshing.
I like that it's pink. That's fun.
I would say it's grape.
Ah, grapefruit. Congratulations. Like and subscribe. These buttons.
Boop.